Okay, hello everyone. I'm Han. I'm back, and I know you're thinking that you haven't seen me upload for a while. Well, there was a problem with the recorder, but at least now I've got a new computer, so it's gonna go fine. Okay, so as you've already seen from the title, we are gonna be testing out MC Crayfish's furniture mod. Yeah, so we're gonna be testing out MC Crayfish's furniture mod. Not testing out, but I'm gonna be showing you all the new features and everything in the mod. So as you can see, I've got this thing, and yeah, there's a lot. So let's have a look at it all. Okay, so the first one we're gonna be starting with this. So this looks like it's a spatula. That's what it's called, and 6 attack damage. So the attack speed seems quite nice. Let's test it out. So let's get a sheep. Yeah, so it's fine. We'll try it on other mobs like husk maybe. Let's try it on a husk. So yeah, it's a kind weapon, and which has a nice attack speed here. Yeah, it's faster than a sword. Okay, so let's see what's next. So next we have lots of different types of tables. Okay, so I'll show all of this. This is the oak table, so you can like place it and wonder. I think that chairs also. Oops, yeah. So you can place it, and it looks quite nice as a decoration piece, and it comes with many different other types like this spruce, birch, and there's more also. You can see stripped types also. Okay, so let's put this here firstly, and then I'll show you how yeah, I'll show you all the chairs. So there are different types of chairs also. Yeah, there's lots of chairs. You can see stone chair, there's everything. There's more after this stripped. Yeah, so I think the oak, is there an oak chair? Yeah, there's an oak chair. Okay, so I think these fit quite nice over here, don't they? So you can set up something like this. It'll look good. I'm not doing this in a house, but maybe later we can sometime. Yeah, that's supposed to go there. So yeah, maybe we can change the chairs to be stone or something. But let's see. Oops. Okay. So there are now more tables. These are coffee tables. So now these are like these, but I think yeah, look, it's slightly smaller, slightly shorter. You can see. Yeah, it's like that, but slightly shorter. Okay, so now we've got cabinets. So let's grab these, and I'm thinking you can store items in here. Let's try to get items, and so yeah, yeah. So you can store items in here. Not so good as a chest or a shulker box, but it still works. Yeah, yeah. You can also see the opening animation. Did you see that? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna clear, and let's see everything else which is there. Okay, so we just saw the bedside cabinets. These are the bedside cabinets. Let's see these also. The space also which they can fit. So yep. Can you store stuff in it? I don't think you can store stuff in it. Oh wait, you can. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Those are the cabinets. You can put it next to your bed so that it looks good. Okay. So let's go on. Where were we? Yeah. So we just saw these are desk cabinets. That's what it looks like. So yeah, yeah. These also you can open. Like the animations also of them opening. Okay, now we are looking at something. These are couches. So no, these are actually sofas. Yeah, so these look very good. They come in different colors. You can couch kind of looks good. You can do this also. So yeah, these are sofas, and yeah, I like the light blue cyan. So yeah, these one also look good. Okay, so now we've seen that these are blinds. So as the name suggests, I think if you have let's say you have a window, let's place it right here, and yeah, so looks good. Yeah, you can do that also. And then let's do that. Yeah, that looks very good. So if you just right click there, the entire thing, let's see how it looks from here. Yeah, so it's like real only. Yeah, that looks real good. Okay, yeah. Now we have the gates. Yeah, no, these are upgraded fence, all that. Let's see. Let's see all this. Okay. Oak upgraded fence. So there are many different types. So yeah, this looks like a fence. Can I jump over it? No, I can't jump over it also. Yeah, these are fences, maybe a farm, or you can just, maybe you can build it around your house. It'll look good. Your house is protected. Yeah, okay. Now, what else is there? Let's see. So these are pocket fences. No, picket fences. Sorry. Okay. These are ones. These ones were upgraded fences, and yeah, these look like picket fence. Yeah. Let's see. It was getting night. Okay. And yeah, can you jump over this? No, you can't jump over this. So it's like another color of the regular fence, I think. Picket. Yeah, these are gates also. So there are fences, and here there are gates. Let's see. So can you open the gate? Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks very cool. Like you can open the gate also. You can go in. Yeah, that's really cool. Like fences and fence gate, but an upgraded version. That's what it is. Okay. So now these are crates. Yeah, there are lots of things over here. So I think we'll look at this oak crate. Okay, what's the use of this? Crate. Unlock. Wow, okay, what is this? I don't know. Okay, seems like some storage related something. And yeah, and we have park bench. So these look very nice. I'm gonna take these. Yeah, look, can you sit on them? Yeah, you can sit on them. And also the sofa. Let's see the sofa. You can, okay, I don't have the sofa now, but yeah, you can sit in it. Looks really nice. And all of these come with a different type, like warped, crimson, dark oak, spruce, every type it comes with. Okay, so here are the mailbox. Wait, first let's see the post box. Oh, okay, yeah, these look cool. Oh, okay. Wow, that looks really cool. And this is the mailbox. Oh, it says my name. Change mailbox name. Go back. Okay. Yeah, these are post boxes and mailboxes. So I think they look very cool. Okay. So now let's go on, and here we have hedges. So I'm not sure what you use it for. It looks like a vertical leaf slab kind of. No, you can't jump over it. So probably you just keep it at the side for some decoration or something. Let's go here and see, because the color gets weird there. Yeah, probably use it as a side for a decoration. So yeah, these are hedges. Now let's see what else is there. Yeah, so there's a lot here. Okay, so okay, let's see the rock path, and then we'll see the trampoline. Okay, rock path, probably, yeah, you can make it to like a small path you can create to your house. Yeah, it'll look good as decoration if you place these in front of your house. Yeah, those look good. And what about outside the house? So outside the house we have got, well, we can put trampolines, can't we? So I'm gonna go to survival and see how. Okay, so we can jump on it. Yeah, fun thing to play with. Okay, I'm not even doing anything. It's jumping itself. Yeah, okay. The fun thing to play with. Yeah. Okay. So since the trampoline is done, there's more. Of course, it's not gonna end here. Okay, so these look like coolers. Okay. These look cool. I'm going to grab all the items right now only, so that I can don't have to pick it up every time. Yeah, okay. So let's see. These are different colors. Okay, coolers, you can put stuff in it. Yeah, I think it'll look good in a kitchen. Now, yes, kitchen drawer. These also have an animation. You can put stuff in it. Yeah, again, this will look cool in a kitchen. It'll look, again, a decoration. Now, this is a grill. I think you can put food in it. Let's try. Okay, I have beef. Yeah, you can. Okay, that's good. Maybe you need a flint and steel to ignite it. Let's check. No, I don't know how this works. So yeah, it still looks very cool. Okay, now, okay, we've done the coolers. Yeah, We've done the coolers. Now let's see the kitchen drawer. Kitchen drawer, and yeah, these are all kitchen drawers. So these again will look good in the kitchen. Most of these are kitchen, so you can put lots of stuff in there. Yeah, again like a normal drawer, except you put it somewhere else this time. Yeah, okay. So these are all the items we just saw. There are more items, of course, if I go here. So yeah, all of this we saw. Bedroom, yeah. I just want to see the kitchen. Uh, yeah, so all there's sinks also. So that's what I wanted to show. Outdoors, yeah, you can see there's a lot of furniture. Yeah, so I wanted to show the kitchen, and here you can see that there are different types of sinks. So why don't we try to make a proper kitchen? So if I just type kitchen, there are already so many stuff coming. Okay, I think you need a water bucket also. So okay, oak kitchen counter. We will prefer oak. Uh, yeah, let's take these. Yeah, oak kitchen counter. Okay, there are different colors also. Okay, now there are the drawers. Let's see how they look. Yeah, oak kitchen drawer. Yeah, the sinks also. Yeah, the grill. Let's not forget that. Okay, let's put a few drawers here. Yeah, the oven and everything. Grill. Yeah, barbecue, everything. No, I'm not sure if there's a barbecue. That'll be awesome. We can put some kitchen drawers, and yeah, let's see what else is there. Yeah, of course, we can put water in the sink if I already didn't mention. So let's take a water bucket, and yeah, wait, where's the sink? I didn't even put a sink. Okay, let's put it there. And yeah, see, you can put water in the sink. You can keep clicking, and it's gonna fill up. That looks really cool. We can add smokers and everything which there is to the normal. Yeah, this is our, well, kitchen, let's call it. Yeah, it looks very cool. This will make a very good kitchen. And yeah, let's see if there's more stuff which we haven't seen. This is general. Yeah, so grills. Yeah, I think we've done everything. So overall, this is really good. Maybe next time we can try making a full. Maybe we'll build a house and we'll decorate the inside of it. We can try to do that. And yeah, this looks really good. Yeah, forget about all that. We'll make a proper house. Maybe some video you guys can suggest. And don't forget to subscribe and like for more.